Evan, Head of Engineering for RMSTATOR. We're going to do a video here showing you how to install our low gear sport mode override harness. So this is really easy to install. Hardest part is getting to the plug. And what this does is allow you to use the sport mode tuning in your low gear setting on the transmission. So this is really useful for situations where you need to pull somebody out of the mud or maybe loading it on a steep trailer on a hill or something. So it's really nice to give you that option. It plugs in right down here at the shifter select. There's a module right here. This goes in line with it, so you do need access to it. On this car, we've already taken the interior out. You're going to have to take off the panels for your console and your seats and all that to get to it. So once you have access down here, you're just going to get to the plug right here on the side of the transmission. You're just going to pull the locking tab and disconnect the connector. It'll come right out. Then you take the mating side of our harness, line it up, and plug it in. And the opposite side will come down here and plug right in to the transmission. And you can then just tie the wires up or just route them out of the way. So very simple, very easy to do. And that will give you access to sport mode in low gear, which these cars should have had available from the start. So hope that helps.